To remove a card from Temu, start by logging into your Temu account using your email and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Account Settings section, which is usually found at the top right corner of the page. In the Account Settings section, click on the Payment Methods option, where you will see a list of all the cards you have added to your Temu account. Identify the card you want to remove and click on the three dots next to it. A drop-down menu will appear, giving you the option to edit or delete the card. Click on the Delete option to remove the card from your Temu account. You will be asked to confirm if you want to delete the card. Click Yes to confirm. The card will be removed from your Temu account immediately, and you will no longer be able to use it to make purchases. If you want to use a different card, you can add a new one by clicking on the Add Payment Method option. It is essential to note that removing a card from Temu does not cancel any pending orders or affect any ongoing subscriptions. If you have any pending orders, they will still be processed using the card that was used to place the order. To avoid any issues, make sure to update your payment information before placing any new orders. Additionally, if you are removing a card due to security concerns, it is recommended that you contact your bank to report the issue and request a new card. By following these steps, you can easily remove a card from your Temu account and ensure that your payment information is up to date and secure. Remember to always review your account settings and payment methods regularly to ensure that everything is in order.